is a little bit mysterious around when you open. There's a puzzle that you need to solve. And after 5 minutes of solving the puzzle, it says rise to the challenge.
The first code I cracked was 120, standing for its 120Hz refresh rate panel. The second one landed up being 108, the megapixel count of its main camera sensor. And the third combo unlocked with 067, since the phone packs in a 67 watt turbo charging. Which leads us to the most exciting part of this challenge: opening the box and seeing what's inside. It's the brand new Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G.
Congrats on successfully unlock the second mystery box. Enjoy! We can't wait to see what you create with your Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G.
"108. These are the first numbers that I was able to crack, and this refers to the 108 MP camera sensor inside this product. And I was really amazed that it was able to give me all those natural shots, especially using the 108 MP mode. I was able to zoom in to my heart's content.
Inside that funky looking camera module sits an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor with a field of view of 118 degrees, a main 108 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HM2 sensor, and completing the trio is a 2 megapixel macro sensor.
The second number that I decoded is 120, and this refers to the 120Hz of screen refresh rate present inside this product. And so I did use this phone to watch some videos, to play some games, and of course use it for social medias, browsing. I was able to really feel the buttery smooth experience given from this product. And of course, the gaming experience took me to a whole new level as compared to its predecessor.
Despite it being an AMOLED panel, that being a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel, which packs in 395 pixels per inch thanks to its Full HD Plus resolution, DCI P3 color gamut rating and HDR10 support, 1200 nits of max brightness, and 120 Hz refresh rate. You can choose between 60 and 120, but do note that this is a fixed refresh rate and it cannot dynamically or adaptively adjust between, say, 10 and 120. If it's at 120, it's always at 120, but we are also kitted with 360 Hz touch sampling rate to make things nice and snappy.
For image quality, look how gorgeous it is. The colors, the details are impeccable.
67, and this refers to the 67 watts of fast charging present inside this product. And so I did drain this product down to 12% and charge it back up to 100. Well, it just took me around 45 minutes to complete the task.
Is its huge 5000 mAh battery capacity and extremely fast 67 watt turbo charging.
They include a USB Type-C cable, a 67 watts turbo charger. Just to remind you guys, our Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G has 5000 mAh battery, and you can charge over half of it in just 15 minutes.
And extremely fast.
Whole new level.